Hello, everyone. Today we are with Abhishek Kumar, founder and CEO of Devas Technologies. Abhishek brings with him over 16 years of dynamic experience in telecommunications and cybersecurity, and he has held key leadership roles and also served as the country manager for Allied Telesis, globally recognized network infrastructure provider. Today, Abhishek stands at the forefront of India's cybersecurity landscape as the founder and CEO of Devas Technologies, a leading managed security service provider with global presence across India, the USA, Netherlands, and Australia. Today, he's going to talk about AI transformations within the healthcare space. Let's get into a quick chat with Abhishek. Abhishek, first of all, welcome, and I'll start with my first question right away. How is AI transforming a patient care and diagnostics in healthcare today?
Well, we are seeing a new age, a new era of AI right now, and every vertical is having a boom and a revolution into this domain. And healthcare is not untouched. And if you look at like AI is changing the face of patient care and diagnostic in a way we could not imagine a decade ago. In hospitals, AI-driven tools are helping radiologists detect cancers earlier, cardiologists predict heart conditions with greater accuracy, and doctors personalize treatments based on genetics and lifestyle data. We are also seeing a chatbots and lot many like HIMS solution providers are like including AI, Gen AI based modules into it that are forming the chatbots which are helping virtual health assistants supporting doctors by handling routine queries, enabling faster triage and improving patient engagement. And if you look at from the India perspective, AI has a unique role. It bridges the gap in healthcare access. Rural patients can connect with city specialists via telemedicine platforms powered by AI diagnostics. Government is also playing a vital role. They are bringing complete digitization of into healthcare with ABDM kind of initiatives taken by the Indian government and giving a unique ID to the patients through which that is bring a base to the AI, the Gen AI, wherein the huge data the vitals of the patients are going to ingest into a single platform, which will form the basis for the future, like high volume of correlation of data, and that gives a value and the ability to the doctors to take informative decisions based on the Gen AI or the analytics tools, giving the predictive analysis of the new diseases or the cancers kind of critical diseases. So in simple terms, AI is becoming the second pair of eyes and ears for doctors, not replacing them, but empowering them to deliver faster, more accurate, and more affordable care.
Absolutely. I totally agree with it. AI is empowering the healthcare specialists. But with healthcare data being highly sensitive, how important is DPDP in ensuring patient trust and compliance? What about that?
Yes, you have touched upon the nerve right now, which everyone is looking forward towards on towards the government. When a patient trusts the backbone of the healthcare, when a patient shares their Aadhaar details, medical history, or test results, they expect it to be guarded with the same care as their treatment. Strong data protection regulations like DPDPA makes that trust possible. It ensures that hospitals collect not only necessary data, store it securely using Aadhaar vaults or HSM kind of solution and database active monitoring and take patient consent before every use. Like we were having GDPR and HIPAA kind of compliances, the global compliances, but we were lagging on this front. But with this DPDP Act, it is going to empower the citizens, the patients, by giving them the power to control their consent, to control their data to be processed by the hospitals, how they are going to keep it into their databases. This empowerment is quite very much needed, and it is not only going to impact the lives of the people, but it is also giving more and more responsibility on the healthcare providers to how they are managing the data, how they are keeping the data safe in order to ensure the security of the patient's data. So from India perspective, like DPA is the safeguard, allowing healthcare providers to embrace AI, telemedicine, and digital health records responsibly, while giving patients the confidence that their privacy is protected. In simple words, like regulation is what transforms compliance into trust.
Right, right. So a related question would be, looking ahead, how do you see AI and DPDPA together shaping the future of healthcare?
Well, I would say like AI is already revolutionizing the healthcare, whether it's faster diagnostics through imaging, predictive analytics for early disease detection, or personalized treatment plans. But for AI to truly scale, it needs vast amount of patient data. And and that's where the strong data protection laws become critical. When patients knows their consent is respected, the data is anonymized, and it's safeguarded in compliance with frameworks like DPDPA, they are far more willing to share it because these Gen AI technologies or deep tech technologies work perfectly fine when they have huge volume of data. If you look at just compare it, the doctors how they take a decision, informative decision about a disease, it is based on the symptoms and the vitals of the patient and the past results of these symptoms. This Gen AI is going to replace and empower the doctors with the same information with billions of records which are being ingested into centrally into one place, and then these correlation engines working together and giving more informative decisions to the doctors. So in future we will see AI powered healthcare system that not only deliver better outcomes but also operate within strict guidelines of privacy and security. So think of hospitals with intelligent digital assistants helping doctors, real-time monitoring of patients through IoT devices, and even national health databases driving research, all built on a foundation of consent, encryption, and Aadhaar vaults and HSM kind of security solutions, which are going to safeguard the personal health information data of the patient. So in short, I would say that AI will be the engine of transformation, and data protection will be the seat belt. So together they will define a safer, smarter, and more trusted healthcare ecosystem for India and the world.
Certainly. Thank you so much for, digging deeper into this topic for us. And thank you for being a part of the fantastic 15, the role of healthcare and AI within the healthcare industry. Thank you for being a part of this edition, and thank you
Thank
for
you,
speaking
Pooja.
to us.
Thank
Yeah.
you, Pooja.